lot of the boats pick up a lot of discoloration from rusty water in the lakes and rivers, and you can see how fast this is cleaning up the rust. No work at all. No scrubbing, no rubbing, it's gone. Now you see it, now you don't. It's just that easy with Magica Rust Remover. Little boats, big boats, they all get rusty. So a little spraying on this port, and we're going to get rid of that rust with Magica Rust Remover. Just that quick, just that easy. It's going, gone. No rubbing, no scrubbing. It's Magica Rust Remover.